Dora and Diego's enchanting jungle quest. Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush and vibrant rainforest, lived two adventurous siblings, Dora and Diego. With their boundless curiosity and love for exploration, they were known far and wide as the most daring explorers in the jungle. Chapter 1. The Magical Map. One sunny morning, Dora and Diego were playing near their treehouse when a fluttering golden butterfly caught their attention. To their surprise, it carried a magical map that glowed with mysterious symbols. Excitement sparkled in Dora's eyes as she recognized the enchanted map. "Let's follow the map and embark on a magical jungle quest, Diego," she exclaimed. With a nod of agreement, Diego grabbed his backpack, and the siblings set off on their adventure, guided by the magical map that unfolded new paths with every flutter of the golden butterfly. Chapter 2. The Talking Animals of the Jungle. As they journeyed deeper into the jungle, Dora and Diego encountered a myriad of talking animals. From Benny the helpful blue toucan to Tico the adventurous and bilingual squirrel, each creature had a unique story to share.
"Hola, Dora y Diego. How can I assist you on your quest?" greeted Issa, the knowledgeable iguana, as the siblings crossed a colorful bridge.
With the help of their new animal friends, Dora and Diego solved puzzles, crossed tricky terrains, and learned valuable lessons about teamwork and friendship. Chapter 3. The Mysterious Temple of Echoing Whispers. Following the magical map's guidance, Dora and Diego reached the heart of the jungle, where they discovered the legendary Temple of Echoing Whispers. The temple was adorned with shimmering vines and guarded by wise parrots. As they ventured inside, the temple echoed with mysterious whispers. Dora and Diego deciphered the whispers with the help of their trusty backpack and learned about an ancient artifact hidden deep within the jungle, the Jewel of Harmony. Chapter 4. Swiper's Sneaky Scheme. Just as the siblings uncovered the location of the Jewel of Harmony, the mischievous fox, Swiper, appeared with his swiping paw ready for mischief. "Oh no! Swiper wants to swipe the Jewel of Harmony. We need your help to stop him," cried Dora. The enchanted map provided a clue to outsmart Swiper, and with the audience's participation, the children successfully convinced Swiper to change his mischievous ways. Chapter 5. The Quest for the Jewel of Harmony. Guided by the magical map, Dora and Diego journeyed through treacherous terrains, crossed roaring rivers, and swung from vines to reach the hidden chamber of the Jewel of Harmony. To their amazement, the jewel emitted a soft glow as they approached. The jungle creatures gathered, and the siblings realized that the jewel had the power to bring harmony to the entire rainforest. Chapter 6. The Celebration of Harmony. With the Jewel of Harmony in hand, Dora and Diego returned to their treehouse, where the jungle creatures awaited to celebrate. The siblings placed the jewel on a pedestal, and a radiant aura enveloped the rainforest. The once sleeping flowers bloomed, the animals sang in unison, and the jungle resonated with the beautiful sounds of harmony. Dora and Diego danced with joy, knowing that their adventure had not only brought them closer, but also brought harmony to the magical world they cherished. Chapter 7. Gratitude and Friendship. As the sun set on their incredible journey, Dora and Diego expressed gratitude to their animal friends, the magical map, and the enchanted rainforest. Thank you all for joining us on this amazing adventure. With teamwork, friendship, and the Jewel of Harmony, we made the jungle a magical place for everyone, said Diego, smiling at his sister. The rainforest creatures, in turn, expressed their gratitude, and the siblings felt a warm sense of accomplishment, knowing that their bond and the power of harmony had transformed their world. Epilogue. The never-ending adventures. From that day forward, Dora and Diego continued their explorations in the enchanted rainforest, discovering new wonders, solving puzzles, and sharing the magic of friendship with everyone they met. And so, the tale of Dora and Diego's enchanting jungle quest became a cherished story in the hearts of the rainforest, inspiring generations to come to embrace the spirit of adventure, friendship, and the magical harmony that existed within their vibrant world.